Okay, how are you doing? Congratulations to every PMP certified professional. This video is for you if you have already done your paper and you have passed. Take a moment and celebrate this achievement because you have done it. So becoming a PMP isn't easy. We all know that. It takes commitment, discipline, and countless hours of learning, preparation. But earning the certification is only the beginning. One of the most important things every PMP holder should know is this. You need to earn 60 PDUs, which we call Professional Development Units. Every 3 years, you need to maintain your certification. And the only thing that can lift you up is the PDUs. Don't wait until the final few months. Start collecting your PDUs as early as the first day you have done the paper. It makes the renewal process much easier. I'm going to take you through how you can do this such that by the time you hit 3 years, you're good to go. So where can you earn the PDUs? That is the first thing. That is always the first question that lingers in our heads. You have plenty of options. First, you can attend PMI webinars, you can have online courses, participate in chapter events, have those activities done, volunteer and mentoring others, taking professional and development programs, creating project management content. Or you can even join PMI approved learning activities. So every bit toward your renewal journey is important. You're looking for one convenient way to earn all the 60 PDUs at once. Maybe you have been hit by time or that. There are those courses like professional courses on Udemy by TIA, or you can call him Andrew Ramdayal. It can always do a once you have finished the course, you report to PMI straightforward. How do you report to PMI? Log into your PMI account, open certification dashboard, you'll see that. Then select your PMP certification, click report PDUs, choose education, then you select the course or the training you have done. I always recommend TIA Education or Andrew Ramdayal for this because it is important. So enter those 60 PDUs and renew. Then you'll allocate the PDUs as follows. Most of the cases, the minimum is 8 for every domain, but put 44 on ways of working. You can put 8 on power skills and 8 on business acumen. So that makes a total of 60 PDUs. Submit your claim, wait for PMI to review and approve it. It is not mandatory that it will be approved or immediately. Then after it is approved, pay the renewal fee, and just like that, your PMP certification is extended for another straight 3 years. So keeping it simple, remember these 4 steps. 1. Earn the 60 PDUs. 2. PMI reviews and approves your submission. It is not automatic. Pay the renewal fee. After you have done that, your PMP certification is renewed for another 3 straight years. So whether you're a PMI member or you are not, the secret is the same. Start early. Keep learning. Report your PDUs consistently. And never leave your renewal until the last minute. Congratulations once again on becoming a PMP professional. Keep growing, keep leading, and keep making an impact in the world of project management. See you in the next one. Bye bye.